Let's take a look at a system that's going to have infinite solutions. We're going to solve this system using substitution. So I'm going to call this first equation A and this second equation B. And I notice that I can make the x's disappear if I multiply A by -2. So that's going to give me -6x minus 8y equals -8. And then I'll just copy down B, 6x plus 8y equals 8. When I add these together now, I notice that those add to 0, and those add to 0, and those also add to 0. This tells me I have an infinite number of solutions, and what it means is that the lines are actually the same line, just one right on top of the other. So every point on the line is going to be a solution. So how do we represent that general solution? So what we're going to do is we're going to take our first equation A, we could use B as well, and we're going to solve for y. That's going to give me 3x plus 4y equals 4. I'm going to subtract 3x, -3x plus 4, and divide by 4. Y equals -3/4 x plus 1. That means that my general solution is going to have an x, and y in terms of x is -3/4 x plus 1. So let's think about that for just a second. If x is 0, we get 0. -3/4 times 0 plus 1, we get 1. If x is 4, for example, -3/4 times 4 is -3, plus 1 gives us -2. And you can see that regardless of what my x value is, I will get one of the ordered pairs. That is a solution, but this gives me all of the ordered pairs that are solutions. I should note here that this is in terms of x. If I wanted it in terms of y, I would have had to solve for x in terms of y.